now, don't
stop now. Stop if you dancing. I have made it. I have made it. I have made it. Look at it. I made it to the palace.
Hey!
As one of the girls to meet the prince.
Abigail, teacher.
Abigail. Clear your mouth. Clear your mouth. Say queen.
Queen Abigail. Sister, from now on, I've changed your name from Abigail to Odibese.
You have a place in the palace.
Sister, give me the work.
You have a place in the palace.
The queen. Ascending. Oh, hey, you will go. Sister, let's follow it up. From today onwards. Mama, I made it. I made it to the palace. Mama, I made it.
Get out. Why did you touch me? Eh? Because you made it, I want the girl that will enter into the palace. I should now run away for you. Is that? Touch me again and see what I will do to you. I'm off here. You made it. Juliet, what is it?
I failed.
Hey! You didn't make it?
No.
Wait, I'm sorry, but I made it.
Let me not hear my name from your mouth again. Did you hear me, this stupid girl? Let me not hear my name from your mouth again. What is it?
Let me see your letter. Eh? I want to check something. Just let me see. Hey.
Mama,
Ashaya.
Let me see how you will make it again.
Mama, why did you tear the letter now? They told us to bring it to the village square on Saturday morning. Mama, it's not fair now.
Let me see how it will be possible. Come on, now, get inside that house and continue with your chores.
Mama,
you think I
don't know
know
that this girl is dating that Mr. Emeka? Because it's among the committees in the palace. That's why they gave her. After everything I did in the palace, they did not choose me and they chose this.
Yeah, go.
Go inside. Go inside, your sister. Let me see you make it.
Oh, Juliet, but why didn't you make it now?
Mama, it's not my fault. It's not my. After everything I did in the palace, they not choose. It's not because of Mr. Emeka that they chose her. It's not because of you. See this girl. This girl is very wicked.
How am I going to be the future mother of the queen of this village?
Finally, you're going to the palace.
Yes, sir.
Look at you. No, I will fly to the palace. I told you once the prince comes back that he is going to marry me.
You said my sister, whatever today, we must win this contest. So
Before,
see how poor we are now. If you eventually win the house of the prince, we are made.
We have made it. We have made it. See, you know what? Leave the rest to me. No, check me out. Iru Kanazo. Iru Kanazo. I see when I enter that palace, hey, even the priest will bow for me. I'm telling you that he cannot resist you. For where? He can. How can he resist me? Don't worry. I am going to be the queen of the space.
Yes, sister, you have all it takes.
What are you saying?
It is just prayer.
We are here for you.
Just imagine yourself when you be parading like the queen.
Let me just describe it. By the time I come into that palace, hey, Her Royal Majesty, Desi, let me walk like the Lord.
You will
the prince is yet to see you.
You have my fasting and praying. I'll be praying in the morning.
My daughter,
Mama,
you don't know how proud you've made us. That shows that your father's prayers to the ancestors are working.
Mama, the way you are calling the working is too small. It is extra working.
I'm
telling you, Mama, it is working because as I'm here now, Mama, I am so excited. As it stands, the only thing you can perceive from me now is queen. Queen. Queen.
Okay. Queen.
Ogo Prince.
Ogo Prince. Ogo Prince.
Ijia, Mama. I can't wait.
Mama
mo.
Mama mo.
Mama mo.
Mama mo. Achi andi oza achi. Ngeru nwoge.
Hey, Chimo. Here is your food. I said let me put it in a tray to serve you like a queen that you're about to become.
Hey, Mama.
You gave birth to sensible children. Ebi, you are very, very sensible. I know. But you see this food, I cannot eat it now. I am excited. The excitement in me is way higher than this food you brought me. Even if somebody shoots me a gun right now, Mama, it will not enter. My excitement will bulletproof.
Let me tell you, there's nothing that will make you not to win that.
Mama,
thing. You're already the queen.
Thank you, Mama.
Because amongst all the girls that will come there, who is more beautiful than my Mama? Iru dear.
None of them, Mama.
Didn't never challenge.
Oh, Chimo.
Wait, that reminds me. When are you people entering?
Yeah, Mama, on Saturday here.
On
Saturday, Mama, we are just 6 girls. 1 fine girl, 5 ugly girls.
Monkey banana.
Monkey. Going banana.
Wait, you know what? This will make me to tell your father. Call fire, where fire.
Mama.
I
am telling you. You say I must.
No,
I have won.
She has won.
Hey, don't just calm
down.
Where is the food, though?
Not here. Sister, this is the only food we have in this house.
Why, Kwana? What about the noodles?
Here, what's your noodles? There's no noodles in this house, so.
Ha!
Okay, he's bringing in Aki so that you use it and take it.
Pankanel.
No.
Walk. You see why I said I will do everything possible to be the queen of this land? How long are we going to continue suffering like this now?
Sister, you don't have to complain again because our prayers has been answered.
Oh?
Sister, here are the nuts.
Hi.
You are drinking the last dairy you drink in your life.
Put it inside.
Okay.
Yes, so sister, this will be the last time you ever take this kind of food again.
Yes.
Once you enter inside that palace, no coming out.
Chai.
Yes.
You see why I said I love you so much? You see, by the time I become the queen of this land, hey! Do you know what we are going to be eating? Fried rice, coconut rice, salad,
and the shawarma. Sorry, the shawarma is the same thing.
Intercontinental dishes.
When sister, if you're eating all this food, don't forget also. You eat more and bring it.
Don't worry, I'll bring it in. This is the last gari I will ever soak in this house. This is the last gari I will ever soak in this house. Don't worry.
I thought you never wanted to.
I am hungry, my sister. Abu Jimbad.
Oh, my elders, I want to specially thank you all for the wonderful coordination. The efforts you all made in ensuring that this audition becomes a successful one. My joy knows no bound. I am particularly grateful because there was no bias. Emeka, my special thanks goes to you because as the secretary of this noble committee, you have done well.
More than wonderful.
May the gods continue to be with you. I was made to understand that single-handedly you made sure that there was no rigging whatsoever. Thank you.
Whatever I did was for the good of the community.
Even at that, you are a good man. That is why it was possible. And to my elders, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for your wonderful contribution. And I think we need to have some merriment. Because it is not an easy thing for my son to return from overseas with a beautiful wife waiting for him already. I think this calls for a celebration.
Yes.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Oh, yes, I did. As you can see, the elders are in a meeting as regards the competition that I told you. I want you to go to the kitchen to find out if food is ready. Let them be served. I think there is need for them to celebrate.
Chief Security Officer is actually doing wonderfully well.
Oh, yes. I think the secret is because he's educated. Yes.
Igwe, on a serious note,
why are you saying that?
Because he's a handsome young man. Looking at him, he's a very handsome young man. And the girls will be in disarray. Are you sure they will not step out of line? They will be the girls will be confused. He's so handsome. But,
He's only handsome, but he's as tall as myself.
Let us not preempt what will
I
happen.
know.
this is your thing. Why are you so wicked? You and your daughter. What has she done to you that made you to take the letter of invitation? Give it to her.
Emeka, if you finish ranting, in fact, if you finish your sermon, you go back to your house. Ina Edo, Amara, you see that place you are kneeling, Go back there and continue with your stupid prayer. No food for you in this house.
Mama, I'm sorry, but I didn't do you anything. See, I don't have your time. It's not even you I'm here for. See, Mr. Emeka, if you know what is good for you, please just shut up and get out of this place. Did you hear me? Wow. This is a family matter. Don't come and include yourself, oh. I will insult you, and my father. I will insult you.
I swear, if you ever insult me, I will insult my younger sister to beat you mercilessly. Are you stupid? Why are you so wicked, you and your mother? Why should you treat this girl like this? What's wrong with you? Now listen attentively. They were instructed that anyone that treats these girls badly should be reported to him because they are potential queens. Yes. You better be careful.
Hey, that is why you have been doing what you're doing with her. You think we don't know? Or you think the Igwe will not know? Don't worry.
It's
very
okay.
soon. It will come out to the open.
Emeka, you are now threatening us somewhere. So, Badro, Juliet, let us go inside.
Yeah, you can continue your rubbish here.
You can follow your husband.
See the chair. So he lays it for you. Continue, stupid girl. Follow him.
Madam Egod.
Madam
Egod.
It's okay. You don't have to cry. I will talk to Igwe and I'll get you another little invitation.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My daughter.
Papa.
I am so happy for us. You see, the gods of the land have begun to answer our prayers.
Thank the gods.
Papa, first thing tomorrow morning, you need to kill a fowl for the gods.
Oh, are you to remind me of that?
Papa, if it is possible, you kill a goat. A cow. You can even sacrifice a human being to thank the gods.
It has not gotten to that.
So, Papa, we have to thank the gods.
No, actually, I will kill something. But that is not a problem. Never worry yourself, never mind.
Okay.
Whatever is possible for me to do, I will do it. To see that you succeed in whatever you want.
Thank you,
in your
Papa.
life.
Thank you.
I can go any length. As far as that being is concerned.
Papa.
Okay, see, because that is one thing. It's not a challenge, but I'm looking at this offense coupon. The king brought one security and a young man, handsome man. And I'm so convinced that the king brought him just to tempt you people. Yes, to try you people if anyone will fall for him. And I want you to take your eyes off him. Charlie, stay away from him. Being a very handsome man, you ladies are equally beautiful. So the king wants to set you people up. But you will show him that you are a daughter. The daughter of a special man. Therefore, I want you to stay away. This is one of the benefits you will receive for having a father that is a member of the cabinet.
You will continue to be a member of the cabinet, Papa.
No.
That is why I am happy to have you as my father. Thank you for the information.
Exactly.
Papa, that shouldn't worry you. Look at me very well now.
I know what
your daughter can only smell and see big things.
Oh.
Why will I smell a gate man? I go chop handsome. Giri can be handsome. Papa, I'm smelling the prince. As I'm here now, I can even perceive the prince. Papa, don't worry yourself.
Sister, you need to listen to Papa. Anytime you see that guy in the palace, if it's possible, close your 2 eyes. Don't even see him at all so that he will pass. Because if they might have brought him to the palace to confuse all of you. Don't fall victim.
You want her to close her 2 eyes when the boy is passing. How will she see other people? Other good people. It's not that she understands what you mean.
Hey, sister. Let me go inside and join Mama so that we'll prepare something very suiting for the soon-to-be queen.
Come. You have sense. You have big sense. Papa,
My prince, I love you.
I don't love you. What is it?
But I love you.
I don't want you. Leave me alone, please. Do you get it? Leave me alone.
Please don't leave me. I love you.
I said I don't want you. I don't like you. I don't love you. Leave me alone. What is the problem?
I love you. Please don't leave me. I'm begging you.
Are you okay? Are you insane? Leave me alone.
Hello?
Right?
What exactly is going on here?
My king, I don't know what's her problem. I don't want her. I don't like her. Tell her to leave me alone, please.
Young lady, what is your problem?
My king, I'm in love with the prince and I want to marry him. I'm begging you.
You did not make it among the young girls that came to the palace. Leave him alone. He can never marry you.
No, I won't leave him.
I have spoken.
I won't leave him. No.
I said shut up. You didn't hear what he said?
I won't leave him.
I don't want you.
No, I won't leave you.
I said leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
What is your problem? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
I will hit. Leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
Leave me. Hold on, please.
Harry.
This one you appear like this. What is wrong?
I had bad dream.
Dreams?
Yes. And in that dream, I was a prince. A lady was after me. She wanted me to marry her.
In your dreams, you were a prince. And a lady was after you for you to marry her.
Yes.
Well, that's by the way. When last did you take your typhoid drugs?
What has that got to do with my dreams?
Because it's only this kind of sickness that can cause you to have this kind of dreams. Now look at it. Having a dream where you're a prince and where a woman is after you for you to marry her. No, just look at the charms. You know, I know your plans. You like women too much. And don't tell me you have eyes over all these girls that are coming in. And make sure you don't put anyone into a family way.
Is that an insult or what?
Harry,
I don't like this, please. I don't want it. Please.
Oh. You know what? I had come to discuss a thing with you.
I don't want to discuss anything with you. You can go back to your duty post.
Alright.
Your night shift. Go to your duty post, please.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yes, go.
It's alright. I've had.
I said go. How do you? Go. How do you? Go.
Prince.
Good, I had you.
You don't need more hips. You already have.
Shut up your mouth. I'm doing this so that if the prince comes back, he will not look at any other person but me.
Yeah, so let's go. You just fall now. You know, you have to say you get more hip. Your hip will be.
If I have more hips than this one, it's problem.
It's a bigger problem, sister.
I'm just doing it to be in shape.
Yeah, understand.
Now lucky.
Sister, all this stress because of the prince.
Are you counting it? Count it now.
I'm in one now.
You are in one.
Okay, sorry. 2.
I counted 5.
2, 4, 5. See the way you are breathing. Are you tired of it?
Go and get me apple.
Apple?
After this big exercise. No, you don't need to eat for 2 days.
Maria, I cannot come and kill myself. Let me just go one more.
2, 3.
Sister, all this stress just because of the prince.
Yes, she has to. See the way you are breathing.
Let's go.
No. We just counted 2.
Yes. Hey! But sister, you have to try it.
My dear, don't worry.
At least one.
By the time I get to the palace, everybody will run.
They will hear.
If you see my style, champion, the number one. I'm telling you, even the prince cannot resist you.
Yeah, bring the apple.
Hey, sister, after this big exercise, you still want to eat apple?
Yes. Let's continue.
Ndegede na ndị mbụ chienu chiana chiohia chi ụzọ chi nwoke chi nwanyị chi onye ukwu chi onye nta chi onye oru chi onye Igbo abani ba abani ehihie abụ na ehihie ekene. I have come again with thanks. Ekene anaghị agwa maka ihe ju akpa anaghị amachi ya ọnụ. I've come to thank you again. For as long as you continue doing for me, I will continue to thank you. This assurance you gave me that when the prince returns to this land, my daughter will be the only one you will see as the only existing girl that is worthy of becoming his wife. I thank you again. I thank you again. And let it be according to your dictates.
Are you done?
I am not done. I am not done. Where is Abigail?
I thought she was here with you. She's not in the house. So.
Abigail is not here. And she is supposed to be here. She is supposed to be part of this prayer. Go and tell Ebere to look for Abigail immediately. Let her come here and be part of these blessings of the gods.
Oh, Nan, let me go and fetch Ebere.
Please do.
baby, I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy with you. I have to tell you. How would you attend the audition without telling me? Now you're telling me that you have made it today. I'd say, nah, this is not how I taught you how to roll. Nah, but
Calm down. Calm down. You did not even ask me why I went for that audition. Obi, how are we going to cope? Look at me. I'm a fine girl. I need to be taken care of. That's why I went for that audition. But don't worry. Oh, don't worry. I will continue to see you even when I get to the palace. Oh.
Okay. So I'll be dating the queen of this land.
Bam! Ijia, you will be dating the queen, and not just that. I am going to set you up. I will open a very big business for you. Just as you are here now, just say, I am made. Say it.
I have made it.
I am made.
I am made. I am purely made.
Ijia!
But wait, honey, wait. You know you like banging thing, you know?
Jiggy jiggy.
If you get to that place now, how will you cope? I would not like make you disgrace me.
No, I will not disgrace you. You know I'm a tortoise. It's just for me to sneak out of the palace and come and see you. Even now, Sefe. Ojim.
Are you serious?
I mean it now. I would have said we should go to your house. Your house is too far.
Don't bring your...
Ari, I have heard all you say, and we will continue to. Okay, thank you.
My king, breakfast is served.
Oh, I'll be with you shortly. So, Ari.
It's okay. See you later.
I'm saying is that what you and your mother are doing to that girl is not good. She's not the one that made you to lose.
Hey, shut up there! See this one, who is talking? As now, what nonsense is she saying? See, better warn your friend though. Better warn her, she should mind the way she talks to me. What nonsense is that?
Now that you went to fetch water, did you die? What is it? Since her mother died, you people have been humiliating her. You don't fail.
See this fat fool. See this idiot, imbecile. Well, I don't care. You can say whatever you want to say. I don't bloody care. But all I know is that she will do whatever my mom asks her to do. And if she doesn't, I will even put her in beating her. And let me tell you, if you're not okay with it, go and hit your head on the wall. Or probably go and hug the transformer. Eh? Nonsense.
It's you and your mother that will hang your head on the transformer.
Hey, okay, this girl, what did you say?
You heard me!
Running like this?
I don't know. But wait, she's supposed to be among the people that will be going to the Igwe's palace for the contest. Why is she still here?
Hey, yes. I now remember.
What?
Her stepmother. Amara's stepmother never wanted her to go to the palace.
That woman is very, very wicked. Why is she humiliating this poor girl? Is it because she's an orphan?
Wickedness is on her statement. I did tell you. Livo, if that woman is my friend's mother, so I know her very, very well. She didn't want Amara to enter the contest because her daughter failed.
Is Amara not a woman? Is Amara no more beautiful than her daughter? Amara is beautiful and she was winning that contest.
But if you ask me, I don't even know how that girl passed that contest. I mean, she's not that beautiful now.
Me and you know we're not talking about beauty here. When it comes to woman, Amara is a woman. She's a wife material. But let me tell you, my friend, for the fact that the both of us did not make it,
doesn't mean we shouldn't appreciate others or wish them well to win.
Don't even go there. What's the both of who?
Me and you, Munage.
You and I?
Yes.
That's you and I now both. My sisters are Hanago. Which one be say both of us? But our father did not make. I don't understand. Hey, when I'm talking, you keep quiet. I'm still talking.
Why are you eating yourself up?
Me eating myself up?
Yes.
I don't understand. Why would I eat myself up?
I
was the one that decided not to go. Yes, I don't want to go.
You don't have white. You are not the white material, my friend.
Yeah, wait.
Accept it. If I don't accept it.
200 yards. Hey! They're going to even use that stuff for Sabbath people. The gang goes so long.
Please pass. Get out of my way.
Where are you going? Come back here. I'm not done with
you. If you touch me,
I'm not done with
you. If you touch
what
me,
will you do?
If you touch
because
me,
I'm walking on the road with
I
you.
I swear to God, I will barb your head this evening.
What's it?
Obi Bowaye.
Overgrown baby elephant.
Obi Bowaye.
Baby elephant. That's not you. I'll just. Now free. I'll win.
You did not win. Did not win.
I'm walking with you. I'm going for the go. You will not win. A loser is a loser.
I summoned you all here to ascertain your level of preparedness as regards the visitors that we will be having in the palace. I want to be sure that we have put in everything into perspective. Bomboy, you are the chief cook. I want to know if there is anything we're still lacking from your end.
No, Igwe. Everything is ready. All of them are ready, lined up for eating.
That is good. Harry,
Your Highness.
you are the head of security. Is there anything still lacking from your end?
None for now. My boys are ready.
Good. Is there anything lacking from your end as the head of the maids?
No, Your Highness. We are good to go.
This is impressive. Anyways, I was not expecting to hear anyone say no because we have been preparing for this day for a very long time. Bomboy, Harry, guards, I want to crave your indulgence to the fact that the maidens are coming here for a contest. And it will be in your best interest to take your eyes off them. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
However beautiful and attractive they could be. Especially you, Ari. You know, girls have a way of misbehaving anytime they are in your presence.
I will coordinate, Your Highness.
I know why I am saying this. We all have been living as a family in this palace. I do not want anyone to misbehave or mess up, especially for this 1 month that the maidens will be staying with us. So it is in your best interest that you behave yourselves. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Having said that, I want to say that you can leave until when they come.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Follow me to the kitchen. Kitchen.
As you can see, we've come to the final part of this contest. And these maidens here, they happen to emerge as the finalists. As a matter of fact, they are going to move into the palace today, as demanded by Igwe of Okansi.
Yes.
From there, they will be selected according to the custom of land. Yes. I hope they are all complete. Are they complete?
It is remaining one person.
One person?
One person?
Who?
These beautiful ladies here represent each village, and the committee of this competition made sure that no village was left out. So I urge you ladies to go inside the palace and make your village proud. That is it. And whosoever wins the heart of the prince becomes our next queen.
know. You have spoken well. Ladies, the boss is here. You can now move to the palace for the beautiful contest.
Zimbabwe, Kuheji, Amawanyo, Yezi wanye dioka, Soso yakana cho, Odoze bayo, Obigwe, Odoziako, Yezi wanye dioka, Soso yakana cho, Odoze bayo, Obigwe, Odoziako, Ngwanu gige kwerere, ige kwerere. Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Mwanu gano kike kwerere Mwanu kike kwerere Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Mwanu kike kwerere Kike kwerere Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Eziwanye dioka Soso yakana cho Odoze bayo Obigwe Odoziako Eziwanye dioka Soso yakana cho Odoze bayo Obigwe Odoziako Ngwanu kike kwerere Ngwanu kike kwerere Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Ngwanu kike kwerere ike kwerere Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Ezibagwa na wanyo Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Ngwanu kike kwerere ike kwerere Eziwanye dioka Soso yakana cho Odozie bayo Obigwe Odoziako Ngwanu kike kwerere Ngwanu kike kwerere Ezibagwa Kuheji Amawanyo Ngwanu kike kwerere Ike kwerere.
This is glamorous. I never knew we have extremely beautiful meetings like this in this community.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Please feel free, feel at home. Harry, where are the others?
They're in the house.
Please go and bring all of them so that we'll begin with the introductions.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Highness. Permit me to say you look handsome today.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Can I get a hug, please?
Why not?
No problem.
You're welcome.
So loose.
Please make yourselves comfortable. Feel at home. You're all welcome.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty.
And your palace is so beautiful, it will suit me perfectly.
Oh, you can say that again.
You wish.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Just make yourselves comfortable, okay?
Of course, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Well, like I said, you are all welcome to the palace of your land. And I want to say that we're excited to have you in our midst. You've all introduced yourselves. Now it is the turn of my palace workers to introduce themselves to you. Harry, over to you.
Thank you, Your Highness. Well, ladies, you all are welcome. My name is Harry Ndukwe. I'm the Chief Security Officer in this palace.
Next.
Mike Okoli, one of the palace guards. You are welcome.
My name is Johnny Lo. I'm one of the palace guards. You're welcome. Hey, Umo babes, You're welcome. You people are welcome. My name is Ogolo Martin Sogor Akatambo, aka Bomboy, the chief chef of this palace.
What? Did I hear you say chef?
Yes, chef. Somebody that is cooking food that Igbo is eating. Can't you see our Igbo food also? Even the one people are going to eat, I'm the one preparing it. Yes. You got like here.
My name is Janet Johnson. I'm the chief maiden.
Janet what?
Johnson.
It's not Janet Jackson.
My name is Ogachukwu Madu. I'm one of the maids. You're welcome.
Thank you,
Your Majesty. We shut up. We want to say thank you. I mean, on behalf of the girls.
What? Who made you our leader?
We want to say thank you for having us at the palace. Thank you very much, my king.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. I want to urge all of you to know why you are here. I want to let you know that you are duty-bound to maintain peace and cordiality, for that is the only way you can climb higher in this contest. Having said that, I want to let you know that the prince will be here any moment from now to make his choice. Oh, yes. And I want us to know that whatever you want, in terms of food and drinks, in fact, anything that is going to give you comfort until the end of the 1 month you're staying here, is in this palace. Finally, I want to crave your indulgence to the fact that fighting is a criminal offense in this palace. Anybody caught misbehaving will be evicted. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Thank you very much. We will try as much as possible to comport ourselves adequately.
What exactly is your name?
I like that part. My name is Tessie, and I came all the way from Canada for this event. Yes, Your Majesty.
That is interesting. And where exactly is your village?
Umuoba.
Umuoba. Yes, Umuoba.
Umuoba. Oh, is that how it's pronounced? Umuoba?
Well, it's okay. You can now come into the palace.
Ezibagwa wiheji amawanyo ngwanu ganu kike kwerere ngwanu kike kwerere ezibagwa wiheji amawanyo ngwanu kike kwerere kike kwerere ezibagwa wiheji amawanyo eziwanye dioka.
Ogugumbaja na bia maranzu. Ogugumbaja na bia maranzu. Ogugumbaja na bia maranzu. Ogugumbaja na bia maranzu. Ogugumbaja na bia boroji. Ogugumbaja na bia boroji. Ogugumbaja na bia toroji. Kaitari benibe. Ogugumbaja na bia toroji. Kaitari benibe. Ogugumbaja na bia woronku. Kaingo bom bom bom. Ogugumbaja na bia woronku. Kaingo bom bom bom. Ogugumbaja na bia toroso. Kaita na mburunku. Ogugumbaja na bia toroso. Kaita na mburunku. Gods of our forefathers, gods of our land, we have come again. So long as you are giving us, we will continue to thank you. We have come to thank you once more for all the things you have been doing for us. Ihe ntị na-ata agwụ na ntị anaghị ezu ike.
Otu aka ọ dị. Sie ike.
Ihe na-ewu na-atọ ogugu onye na-eze anya ya anaghị ezu ike. This time around, we are here for something very special. Our daughter Abigail. Come to the aid of our daughter Abigail. Be with her. Be by her left. Be by her right. Be before her. Be behind her. Be beneath her. Be above her. Be within her. Now that Abigail is going for this contest, let her succeed. Let victory be hers. So that when the prince arrives, he will see no other girl, no other maiden than Abigail. Let Abigail succeed. So when she becomes the queen, the new queen of this land, we have succeeded, of course, and you will succeed equally. Then I will be given a good position in the palace. When I become well placed in the palace, we will all be lifted. I will repackage you. I will rebrand you. I will update you. I will uplift you. And then place you on a higher position in the palace.
I have fetched water. I have cooked. I have done all the ask chores she asked me to do. I don't know whether she wants me to go late to the contest.
I said leave her later go to the palace now! Leave her later go to the palace.
Ooh, you won't go
Amara, carry the bag and go to the palace.
You said lie.
I said move.
Go where? Don't go anywhere. Go where? Who will make the food I will eat?
Listen to me. You will count the wrath of Igwe. I say you will count. I will make sure that Igwe pass on you and you will never survive.
You will not do it.
Now!
See! Let me see when you will come back. You will come back, oh! You get a Canada. You see you useless man.
Both of you should be careful.
Get out of this place. Amaka, leave my house. Get out of my house. Get out from this place. Go. Useless nonsense. Imagine, imagine. So why don't you see?
Babe, this contest go hot. See girls.
Speaking about it, what are you girls even doing showing yourself up and about?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
That Abigail, I don't like her. I mean, who made her our leader? The audacity to dare speak on our behalf.
My dear, I'm tired. The girl is just showing herself anyhow. Imagine, hugging the king. It's paining me.
That was a great way to waste her time because we are going to see who will win this competition.
My dear, if you ask me, all you girls should go home. You people are too small. This one is not a competition now. It's a giveaway. Because the prince is mine. Yes.
Excuse me? Oh Lord! I like the fact even fools are allowed to dream. It's yours, please. Come again. The prince is yours? It's safe to say you're very good at hallucinating.
What are you talking? Let me look at you well. Okay, wait. If the prince comes now and he picks you, you're his bride. Do you have what it takes to run the affairs of this palace? Can you control respect? He does not need you now. The sooner you understand, the better for you. Eh? They need someone like me. Eh? Okolo Okalia. Look at me now. Thick. Are you seeing the way I'm standing? Unshakable. Ascending Zedekam. Big man food. If I come out, they'll be shouting, yes, my queen. I'll say, come, yes, my queen. Yes, my queen. Not you now. They are going to throw you inside the dustbin. You cannot even say anything. They will mock. It's not for you. You have to adore me. This is not a competition, I told you before.
Now that you are done blabbing, let me school you on some things. First of all, great gifts comes in small packages, such as myself. You talk about what makes you think they need all of that bullshit in this palace? What they actually need is my type. I am portable. Look at me.
You're too small for
I am portable.
I cannot come and be bantering words with you now.
I'm the drill. I'm the idea. I'm the standard. The prince is mine. Mine. But look at you. Big, full, thick, fat, all that bullshit. All the things that is not needed in the palace. It's exactly what you are. Whereas I, Oge, is the actual standard. I'm going to be the prince's car key. His handset. He's going to carry me around. Because I'm portable. But you, he will need a wheelbarrow. You'll be too big, too heavy. Why did you even come here?
See, those khaki, those small things, they easily misplaced.
But you find them.
We easily throw away them.
And they're always looking for them. Exactly, they always look for us.
We are there.
You're landing.
They don't look for us.
But you're not needed. You're not needed. Wait, who brainwashed you into
strangle you into this room?
You can't do shit. I'm your future queen, boo.
I like your dreams.
Of
I
course
just pray that when they evict you, you keep up this energy.
Now you will serve me.
Keep up your positivity. Because this is what we call positivity. I like it. I encourage positivity.
I am that portable.
So
Look at my style.
I'll be here to
Look
help
at my
you.
hair. You're carrying long hair to cover your fat self. Get out of my sight.
This fake nonsense you're fling. Mind yourself in this room.
Obigwe, Odoziako, Yosi want ye de oka, Oso yakana cho, Odozie bayo, Obigwe.
Amana,
Sir?
what have you been doing? What kept you? What kept you?
I'm sorry, sir. My stepmother delayed me.
Amana, do you know what? Run to the palace immediately and know whether they will allow you in. Run to the palace immediately. Oh God.
Why don't you calm down and unpack your things? Why are you worried about that girl? Did I hear you say calm down? Did I hear you properly? Calm down for what? Eh? If she came back from Canada truly as she said, what is she doing here? Why did she come here to compete for the heart of the prince with? I see the way she just said it. I came back from Canada. You know, I've always known that girl would be our problem. But I won't let it happen. It will not happen. Abigail, listen to me. This is a competition. Give in your best. Who knows? Besides, the prince we're all dying for. Do you think this is the first time he's seeing one girl with fune and all that? He has been seeing all that before. And guys that live abroad, they like local champion, those rugged ones. They like our type. So why are you worried? Why do you fear? Yes, since when I know you, the first way they talk will make sense, please. No, that's very true. How come I didn't think about it? Hey! This is good. Yeah, so don't worry yourself. Leave her. Make sure they form her Americana they go. She go date there, she go old. Prince go leave her, go choose me. Yeah? Auntie, you say wait. No, what did I hear? The prince go choose who? See, if I slap you, now one slap I go give you, I go reset your brain factory. Slap what I go give you. Now I promise you will hear one woman. You not go hear anything again. Choose who? See, let me tell you. I did not come to this palace to come and drag the prince with anybody. In fact, if I see a way to bundle all of you like sardine and throw you out of this palace, that is exactly what I want. No, what do you mean? Abigail, what do you mean? Are you stupid? Huh? Did you bring me here? Or did I come here for you? Listen, give me your best while I give you my best. What you're looking for is what I'm looking for. No cross me. Don't try am. Now last warning that I give you. That thing when you talk, no try am again. Don't even think about. Now only me and you did this room. If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow. I will just kill you. Raise this mattress, bury you on. You are very stupid. Abigail, you be mad woman. You will kill who? See me, oh. People like say you don't know me, oh. If I give you one slap, your head will turn. This your fine face will turn, go back. Do I look like someone that is scared of you? Whatever you are, I am 10 times of it. If you want me and you die, we go die before Prince go come. I don't get where they live for. I don't get life, we go die. If I run enter you, you don't go like yourself. If I run enter your spirit, your conscience. Shut up! Make I don't even try it! I will punch you. Are you mad? You they mad? They run mad.
I will start with this.
May what start now? Make I come meet Smoke start.
No wahala. No problem.
You know what fight today, madam? You flex Moses. Come and fight now. Go ask people of my village. If I blow you, that I don't go to see again. They run mad. Wait see. Who you? How many powers to be sure?
You're too small. Let me save my.
Better save it. Save am.
Auntie Canada now they
save am. Maybe not math you they make. You don't even get power.
Save am.
Thank God I went to borrow this bag. Onyenye phone. Praise God, God will bless you. Hey, at least I have good clothes now. She borrowed me good clothes. Hey, now those girls are wow. They're so local. No, shut off your mouth, Liz. Shut off your mouth, Tessie. They're so local. Now, it is good for someone to go to school. Look at the way I was just giving them accent. Hey, I have more leverage now. I have more leverage more than those stupid girls. Ndala. Hey! Come in. Oh, you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings.
I'm delighted to inform you, ma, that lunch is served.
Oh, lunch is served? Oh, quite interesting. So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Janet Johnson.
Oh, like Janet Jackson? Oh my days! Give me high five, girl. Oh my days.
Mine is not Jackson, mine is Johnson.
I know. Johnson. Palace maiden. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so tell me, you're quite sound. Where did you school?
Abia State University, and I studied English and Literature.
Amazing! So, you are a graduate?
Yes, I am.
Ouch! Oh, you know what? I'm going to see you around, okay?
Okay.
Now get away, get away, you're ready.
Just be coming.
Go. Mwagakwara school. Hey, Tessie. Mba. This girl. The way I am seeing this girl, she's very smart. Mba, Tessie, you need to avoid her. You need to avoid her. By the time I become the queen of this land, Tessie, this is your asset. By the time I become the queen of this land, you will be the first I will fire. Onyala. Who is that? Who? I will be right back. All right.
What be that? What the?
Good morning.
You want break down the... I don't understand. You want break down this gate?
No. Gate man Biko.
Who are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, who are you?
My name is Amara. I'm supposed to have come with the other girls, but my stepmother delayed me.
Ah. So, what has it got to do with you coming here on time?
Please don't send me away, please. I couldn't run away from the house. They gave me plenty of housework to do. I beg you in the name of God, don't send me away. Please. I'm an orphan. Please, I couldn't run away because I had plenty of housework to do.
You're an orphan?
Yes.
Huh. And you also want to fight for the heart of the prince?
What can I do now? Please help me, please.
All of you girls want the prince. But it's fine. Let me talk to the king, right? I'll be back. But don't knock here again, right?
Okay.
This is an expensive gate.
Okay.
Don't knock here again.
Thank you.
Good. Come in.
This place is fine. This place is fine.
Hey! At least even if I don't get a chance to be with the prince, let me just be inside the house and be eating ogbonge food. Hey? And stay away from my stepmother. That woman is stressing my life. God, please, help me. Help me. Come for me now. This is when I need you now. Oh God, please.
Forgive my manners. You know, I know what is beacon. Beacon. There's one at the back of this place, but the man that put it on the ground has built house there, so the beacon has left.
Can I have something nice?
Give her gari to soup. Maybe not gari.
Do you want fufu? Do you want?
What?
Apple? Yes.
I don't want apple. I want something nice. Okay?
It's alright. Let me go and do something for you. Let me go and look for something. Okay,
thank you.
Let me look for Canada food.
Okay,
Canada food.
Okay.
Or you can.
No, you listen to me. Whenever I talk, you shoot shit. Shut up!
Please, you push will not fight. There's camera here.
This is nice.
Igwe is watching. Igwe is watching. No, you're going. Let me bring something else.
Igwe is watching.
Igwe is watching. There's camera here.
They can fight now.
Chef, your food is so good.
You can use this one. Surian as tool, no?